We landed in Saudi Arabia late at night. Regardless of the time, I wanted to go see the restaurant. I wanted to make sure that everything I asked for was present in order to make opening night a success. Unfortunately, I couldn't go because they told me, oh, the kitchen floor is not ready. I said, what do you mean the kitchen floor is not ready? Are you kidding me? We're opening in 36 hours. How is that possible? But regardless, I put my mind at peace and said, it'll be fine. I waited till the next morning, and to my surprise, when I walked in that kitchen, like my mind blew up because nothing was present that I requested. They gave me the excuse that some of the other restaurants took my equipment. But what was I gonna do now in an unknown town as Riyadh was to us, in the middle of the desert? How was I gonna find everything that I needed? A rational oven, other pieces of equipment that are very rare and hard to find. Amazing, we were in the kitchen district. A few steps away, we had stores to go and shop. And this is what this episode is about. Let's go shopping. I knew it was going to be a mess, to be honest. I already knew it.
Is it fixable?
It's fixable. Well, everything's fixable. No one will ever knock me out. No way. But will it be a little difficult the first night, knowing that we're only one day away from opening? It's going to be very difficult. There's going to be a lot of little situations going on. But I have faith in myself and everybody that is with me. This is it? It's okay like this? This is the store? Oh my God. Another disappointment. This is the store? Oh wow. We're in trouble. We're in deep shit. Deep.
You need a spatula.
About how high is the shit?
How high is the shit? Maybe up to my titty? Are you allowed to say this?
Let's say two.
Lobster. Yes, lobster.
Alive?
It's dead. When did it die? When did it?
I'm gonna Google Translate it.
Yeah, in half. No, no peeling. Just like this. Boom. Like this. Yeah, hold it. Can I cut? Yes. Okay. Bag. You know, like when we first got here, I got really scared because it was like, I mean, I'm sure we were tired and under pressure, but it seemed like I got the feeling like, uh-oh, we're in trouble. We're never gonna find anything here, you know? But as you can see, the vegetables are good. Like I feel like I'm in a regular American market right now. And even better, look how big this market is. I mean, They have selections of honeys. So they have really high-end quality products. It's amazing to see a country develop. This country is going to be like a safe LA, a cosmopolitan town in just a few years, where people want to come and live here, because I've never felt so safe ever before.
They're about to close it. I asked the manager if we could pay, and he was like, yes, sure, but I can't find him. I'm like having an anxiety attack, and I don't even get anxiety attacks. And this cashier is the slowest one. The other one wouldn't take me because I'm not paying cash. I should have paid cash. Oh, thank God. He took the milk. He took the milk. But like the real and paralyzing fear of being in this market for half an hour when we could be completely somewhere else on the other side of town is stressful. Okay, that was a high. Getting out of the supermarket and not being, I mean, it's a lovely place to be trapped, right? If there's a zombie apocalypse, you've got all the food and friends, but sitting there for half an hour with meat that needs to be made into meatballs is a super stressful event. As you can hear now, they're doing the call to prayer, and they do it 5 times a day, and things close down. Not everything closes down. The market that we're going to right now, you can still get into. There are some places that don't, but almost everywhere locks down at the prayer time. So if you're in the store, they don't kick you out, but you can't check out at a lot of places. The one that has been the most strict is this market. So I think our second day here, Eduardo and I came, had a ton of stuff, and then couldn't check out for half an hour.
This I put inside.
Do you have anything more, sir?
Nope, that's it. We ran out of pasta. So now we're in Italy for the 10th time, because we come every day, right? And here we are. Uh-oh, we're already in trouble. Thank you. Thank you.
We just have to pack it in anywhere we can.